Ajagbo. This Oriki is a very rare one. It is rare and not popular today because many people don't know the meaning, so they don't bother giving it to their children. And that is why videos like this are very, very important. After doing a breakdown of this name, you will agree with me that it should top the list of the names to be preserved. So let us get into it. Ajagbo. Two main words in that Oriki, the verbs ja and gbo. What does ja mean? It simply means to fight, just as we have in Ajadi, Ajala, Ajasa, Ajawo, Ajani, Ajabi, Ajaba, and what have you. Ja is to fight, to contend for something. But then, gbo, what does that mean? It has many meanings. It can mean to back, but the one that concerns us right now is the one that means to get mature, to get old, to become advanced, as we have in the expression ogbo, ato, wagbo, wato, as we also have in the word arugbo. It is also present in the words ogboni, which can also be pronounced as ogbeni, but that is a story for another day. Anyway, gbo means to get advanced as a result of accumulated experiences, to become aged, old. So let us bring it all together. Ajagbo. The A that starts that name is a noun maker whose meaning can be said to be he who, or the child who. The child who shall do what? The child who shall fight hard and yet live long. That name is very powerful, highly philosophical, because the Yoruba believe that life itself is struggle. The Yoruba know that the very act of living itself is warfare, which is why we say Ogunlaye, awasile aye yuwa ja ogun ni. We are in this world to fight, and when you fight, you either kill or be killed. You either win or be won. This is a highly philosophical and prophetic name given to a child expected to live long despite the struggles in life. A child expected to come out strong from the hurdles of living. This child shall fight hard, and at the same time, he shall live to tell the story, meaning he shall not fail in life. He will not be consumed by his struggles and challenges. Ajagbo, waja ajagbo, waja ajato, ajasegun ni wo ma ja. You shall fight to win. You shall fight to live and fight another day. You shall fight and live to tell the story of that fight because you will live long. That is the meaning of that Oriki, Ajagbo. Now you will agree with me that this Oriki is one that should be preserved very jealously. Give it to your children because gbogbo wa la Ajagbo. Wàá Ṣere.